Unleashing the power within. Proven strategies to excel at drive. Are you tired of feeling stuck, lacking motivation, and struggling to achieve your goals? Do you ever wonder how some people seem to effortlessly drive themselves towards success, while others constantly fall short? If so, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share with you some proven strategies to help you excel at drive and unlock your true potential. Drive is the force that propels us forward, giving us the determination and energy to pursue our goals. It's what separates the achievers from the dreamers. And the good news is, drive is not something you're born with, it's a skill that can be developed and honed over time. So, how do you cultivate drive? It all starts with setting clear and meaningful goals. Without a target to aim for, it's easy to get lost in the sea of possibilities and lose sight of what truly matters. By defining your goals, you give yourself a sense of direction and purpose, which in turn fuels your drive. But it's not enough to simply set goals, you need to make them smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By breaking down your goals into smaller, actionable steps, you create a roadmap that guides your actions and keeps you on track. This not only increases your chances of success but also boosts your motivation along the way. Another key factor in excelling at drive is cultivating a growth mindset. This is the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. People with a growth mindset see challenges as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles to avoid. They embrace failure as a stepping stone towards success and view setbacks as valuable learning experiences. By adopting a growth mindset, you unlock your full potential and tap into a limitless well of drive. Consistency is also crucial when it comes to excelling at drive. It's not enough to be motivated one day and then let it fizzle out the next. You need to cultivate a habit of consistent action, showing up every day and putting in the work, even when you don't feel like it. It's during these moments of resistance that true growth happens. So, push through the discomfort and keep going, because the rewards are waiting on the other side. Finally, it's important to surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your drive and ambition. The people we spend the most time with have a significant impact on our mindset and motivation. By surrounding yourself with high achievers and positive influences, you create an environment that fosters drive and fuels your own success. In conclusion, excelling at drive is a skill that can be cultivated through proven strategies. By setting clear and meaningful goals, cultivating a growth mindset, staying consistent, and surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals, you can unlock your full potential and achieve the success you desire. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to unleash the power within and take your drive to the next level.